Hey guys, today I'm reviewing SolidWorks in 2025, the legendary 3D CAD software. Is it still the best option for engineers, designers, and students? Let's find out. SolidWorks is a professional 3D modeling software built for mechanical design, product engineering, and simulation. It's been around for decades and is trusted by millions of engineers worldwide. SolidWorks still has a clean and professional interface familiar to anyone in engineering. In 2025, they've added more AI-assisted features and design automation tools to make workflows faster. From 2D sketches to full 3D assemblies, SolidWorks gives you everything, such as parametric modeling, real-time simulations, detailed technical drawings, product rendering. It's still one of the best for prototyping in industrial design. In 2025, SolidWorks works better with the 3D Experience platform, letting you collaborate in the cloud. You can store projects online, assign tasks, and even co-edit models with your team. SolidWorks is not cheap. Licenses can run into the thousands, but there are affordable student and startup options, plus cloud-based packages for small teams. In 2025, SolidWorks is still one of the best for professional 3D design. If you need high-end features, precise modeling, and industry trust, it's hard to beat. That's your full SolidWorks review for 2025.